bursting of a housing bubble and the effects of the Europe-wide recession are pushing the Dutch to seek alternative modes of living. Like artist Gidget Mau-asam, many people are unable to afford rent at the market rates. Gidget has found a novel solution. She lives in a vault of a disused branch of Holland's AMRO bank in the center of Rotterdam.
Instead of leaving the building empty, they place people in it for a small amount of money. And we're just like cheap security people.
The bank was nationalized during the financial crisis to save it from going bust under the weight of too much bad mortgage debt. Dutch banks are estimated to be holding some 650 billion euros of mortgage loans, and with housing prices falling rapidly, many homeowners have found themselves now owing more on their mortgages than their homes are worth.
You saw a decade of debt-fueled boom in the housing market that meant that households could borrow up to 120% of the value of their home as a mortgage.
In Gidget's case, the near collapse of AMRO has worked out to her advantage. She now has a cheap place to work on her art. But for the wider economy, the consequences have been much graver, and there's more pain to come, with the government now working to implement over 4 billion euros worth of tax hikes and budget cuts to try to get the country's deficit under control.